Photography is an art form that requires not only technical skills but also a creative eye. To truly excel in this field, seeking inspiration becomes essential. By immersing yourself in the works of other photographers, engaging with the photography community, and exploring various avenues of inspiration, you can unlock your full potential and become the best photographer you can be. In this article, we will delve into the different ways you can find inspiration and how it can positively impact your photography journey. How should you seek inspiration to help you be the best photographer you can be? 1. Explore the works of other photographers. One of the most effective ways to seek inspiration is by studying the works of other photographers. By examining the photographs of both contemporary and historical artists, you can gain insights into different styles, techniques, and perspectives. Spend time analyzing their compositions, use of light, color palettes, and subject choices. This exploration will help you broaden your horizons, discover new approaches, and develop your unique artistic voice. 2. Join photography communities. Being part of a photography community opens up a world of inspiration and learning opportunities. Engage with fellow photographers, share your work, and participate in discussions. These communities provide a supportive environment where you can receive constructive feedback, exchange ideas, and learn from others' experiences. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for photography can be highly motivating and encourage growth. 3. Attend exhibitions and workshops. Attending photography exhibitions and workshops allows you to immerse yourself in the work of accomplished photographers. Observing their creations in person provides a different experience compared to viewing images online. You can examine the details, composition, and emotions captured in their photographs. Additionally, workshops offer the chance to learn directly from professionals who can share their expertise and provide valuable insights into their artistic process. 4. Experiment with different genres and techniques. Finding inspiration can also come from stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying new genres or techniques. Experimenting with different styles, such as landscape, portrait, street, or macro photography, can ignite fresh ideas and push the boundaries of your creativity. Embrace new technologies and explore innovative techniques, such as long exposure, multiple exposures, or post-processing methods. Through experimentation, you can discover your strengths and develop a unique style that sets you apart. 5. Connect with nature and surroundings. Nature has always been a significant source of inspiration for photographers. Take time to embrace the beauty of the natural world, whether it's a serene landscape, vibrant wildlife, or intricate details of flora. Nature offers an endless array of subjects, lighting conditions, and textures that can inspire you to create stunning images. Observe how light interacts with the environment and capture the fleeting moments that convey a story or evoke emotions. Conclusion: seeking inspiration is a continuous journey that fuels your growth as a photographer. By exploring the works of other photographers, joining communities, attending exhibitions and workshops, experimenting with various genres and techniques, and connecting with nature, you can enhance your skills and develop a unique artistic vision. Remember, inspiration can be found in unexpected places, so remain open-minded and curious. Embrace the joy of discovery and let inspiration guide you to become the best photographer you can be.